that's right, you must have guessed that today I'm going to teach you how to make Hawaiian hula skirt. And this idea came from one of my friends. She teaches Hawaiian hula dance, and if you are interested, I will add the link, her contact details, so you can contact her. And this skirt is really easy and looks beautiful to wear. So however, I didn't use a traditional material and print, but this design is totally made from the skirt of my friend. She teaches hula and she has a lot of traditional hula, Hawaiian hula skirts. So I designed it from her instruction. And thank you so much, Joe, for wearing this skirt and dancing for us. And before we dive into our video, just to let you know, I offer online sewing course, everything in one place. If you're interested to learn sewing, check the details, and I would love to hear your comments. What do you think about this design and this idea of making or teaching you something different? So you can you don't have to wear for just for dancing. You can wear it in the summer and style it with your own tops. So let's dive into our video. Let me show you on a piece of paper first. All you need to take 3.5 meters of cotton fabric, traditional hula Hawaiian fabric if you have, or if you're making a skirt like this, you require at least 3 to 3.5 meters of fabric. And then you have to hem the raw edges of the fabric. So total, you don't have to do a line and no cutting, nothing. Just hem the raw edges, and then we will start the rest of our skirt. So you require total length and length of the waist measurement you require. So after hemming the edges, these we will stitch them at the end. These two sides we will stitch at the end. So before we stitch, we will just do the hemming on the sides, and on the top of the skirt I will fold about 5 to 6 inches and keep the seam allowance. And after folding this 5 to 6 inches, fix it with the pins. After folding 5 to 6 inches, I will start drawing 6 lines. So I will take my ruler or a long measuring tape you have. You will start marking. So we will basically draw 6 lines on our fabric, or if you can eyeball it, or however you want to mark. If you have a straight 6 lines, that will be easy for you to do the straight stitching. So we are making the 6 slots basically for elastic, but we are not adding 6 elastic. We are adding elastic in 1 slot and 1 is empty. 1 slot elastic and 1 is empty. Now the first line, we do not add the elastic. This is when we will doing hemming, we will have an opening on the side. And we will first row we will not add elastic, and second row we will start adding elastic, and then third one will be empty, then elastic in another one, and then one is empty and then elastic in another one. Basically 3 slots are empty and 3 having elastic in. So let's dive on the fabric now. I took 3.5 meters of fabric. This is a cotton fabric, and I have folded it just to show you in the video, and then I am starting hemming the edges. So about 0.5 centimeter I will fold once and then again. So raw edges, first of all I will fold, and after folding the raw edges, just like I show on the paper, I will follow. Now this is my elastic, and I am going to fold the top of my skirt. So I am taking the total ready length of the skirt is 72. So in the 72 centimeters add 5 inches extra for the top, and then for the hemming as well, 2 inches hemming at the base I did. So you take the length of the skirt according to your measurement. So I am folding 6 inches, I'm folding here, and then I am fixing it with the pins, and then I'm taking my long ruler. First of all, I'm making sure that I am folding 6 inches and then fix it with the pins, and then I will start marking. After marking, take your fabric under the sewing machine and we will start sewing now. So from the start you do reverse stitch as well, so you will have a stronger stitch, and now just start doing straight line sewing. So basically we have to do 6 long lines on all the fabric which we have folded and marked. So I'm nearly finishing my hemming and the 6 lines on the top, and I have done all the hemming at the base as well, and the 6 lines at the top of the skirt as well. So this is how our skirt look like. It's just like a long tube like thing, and now it is a time to add elastic. So you take your own measurement of your elastic and keep little bit extra, because in hula skirts they keep elastic out, so you can adjust according to your size. So I'm taking according to my waist, and I'm adding 5 inches. I'm leaving 5 inches extra elastic for all these 3 rows. Now it is the time to adding elastic. So from the hole we left on the side, start adding elastic. These 3 rows, first one we're not adding elastic, second one we will, and then we will leave another one, and in the same way as I mentioned earlier, we will elastic in 1 row and leave 1 row empty, elastic in 1 row, and 1 row will be empty. So now I am going to add elastic in the next row. So make sure when you add finishing elastic in first row, make it secure so elastic do not come out. So now I have finished adding elastic. So I'm going to add bell shape endings at the end of these elastics because they have raw edges. So I'm going to make little bell shape things. So just like this, few of them I have made, and one I am going to make in front of you so you can see how I made it. So it's totally up to you how big you want to make. I cut 3 inches piece of square. So this is 3 inches square, mean all sides are 3 inches, and then right side facing toward me, I have folded it and make it triangle, then triangle again. So basically these are 2 triangles, and this folded end I will be facing toward me, and end of this elastic just like I am placing, and then I will be folding again. So one side has raw edges just like this, and I'm going to stitch it using my sewing machine. Elastic is underneath and I am going to stitch it. So this is how I'm going to make it. Make sure you do reverse stitch in the beginning so elastic is secure. And cut the extra fabric so it do not show up. So I'm just cutting extra fabric, and now I am going to pull this one outward. So this is how it looks like. It's little bell shape ending of the elastic, and it looks nice because elastic in hula skirts, elastic stays out so people can adjust according to their waist. So I am making for other end as well. Again fold it and then fold it again and place the elastic. Make sure that this pointed edge is facing toward yourself, and then we will use our sewing machine to fix this elastic in this triangle. And after doing this, basically our skirt is ready because we have done hemming at the edge, and adjust the elastic according to your waist and you're ready to go. You can wear it, you can dance it, you can enjoy your beautiful skirt as you like. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know how did you find it. I would love to hear your comments. And this is how our skirt looks like. This is front of our skirt, and this is back of our skirt, and this is Joe is wearing this beautiful skirt and enjoy hula dancing. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.